Hello guys, welcome all to APDaga DumpBox, and this is the platform where you can find 100% free tutorials on hot topics like Internet of Things, artificial intelligence. Some non-technical topics are covered in open diary section, some interview question answers, troubleshoots and many more. We have covered some interesting boards like Arduino, NodeMCU and Raspberry Pi in Internet of Things topic. We have also provided some solutions for machine learning and deep learning. All these topics are covered in very systematic way. You can select any of the topic and start learning. The complexity of the course begins with very simplicity, and the complexity increases as you go on. Every course is designed in the way or divided in the way that you will find description, that is problem statement, then some physical connection which you need to make, program outcome, some steps which are needed for recreating the experiment, then some points to remember, demonstration video with the proper output shown in it, and most important thing, that is source code, which will be available for you free of cost. You can just copy this code or download it, and you can implement the same experiment on your own board. Guys, I have developed this platform in last 2 years, and because of your love I have already crossed 1 million hits. Thank you very much for that. I would like to suggest you to please do visit this platform and check out all the tutorials which are present over here. It's my guarantee you won't be disappointed, and you will definitely like it. Thank you very much guys. This is Akshay Daga signing off, and the URL for this platform is apdaga.com, which will be given in the description or in the bio. So please do check it out. Thank you very much.